Hello stalkers, welcome back. Wishing you all a happy weekend. Let's start preparing for tomorrow's market and have a weekly analysis. I'm on the weekly chart of DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. We are seeing two indecisive candles back to back on the weekly chart. Best part is market is trading above 5190 that I have identified as a support zone. Overall, DFM market index is still very bullish, but we are seeing some signs of weakness here. And as you all know, lately I have been mentioning, I think a correction is due. Most likely we may see downside momentum during coming week, and hopefully we should also regain the momentum very soon. Let's go down to daily and see how the chart is looking. Here we can clearly see negativity or some sign of weakness after this drop to the downside. Market could not rise up again and close above this resistance, that is 5260 points. Right when the market bounced up from our identified support zone, I had mentioned there are still chances market can continue dropping to the downside till the time we don't see a solid candle close above this zone, that is the recent swing high. Guys, if you're watching my analysis regularly and if you're learning something, show your support, hit the like button, subscribe for daily updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market. Looking at the last red candle right here, we can see some sort of weakness or bearishness in the market. I'm expecting a continuation to the downside. Most likely this support zone will be given up. We can even start trading around 5170 and then we are about to see 5115 in coming days. I repeat, till the time we do not see a closing above this zone, market should be considered very sensitive. There are chances of a correction. Look at this. If at all we are looking at a move right from here till about here, we have done a strong rally from 4780 points to 5255 points. So we are not seeing any correction in between this swing. We made a solid green candle. Market was slowly and steadily going up, showing us weakness, no strength, no big players in the market. It was going through indecisive phase. And then right here we saw a good decisive candle giving us a breakout of 5190, and the follow through was not strong enough. You can clearly see all indecisive candles. This was the sign of worry. Right from this phase onwards, I have been mentioning market is climbing up, but we are not seeing good strength in the market. It's just going at a slow pace. Similarly, when market dropped, we did not see any bigger red candles. This indicates mild correction or a pause, and from here we saw a good bounce from immediate support. There are very high chances we may see a candle close below our support zone during this week and possibly a recovery. We will plan this recovery when we see how strong is the drop or till where the drop is. Is it breaking 5115 and closing below, or is it even going below the low of this candle, that is 4987? In both these scenarios, we will analyze the market in a different way. We will see the market in respective perspectives. But as of now, need of the hour is we want a clear-cut decision whether market is continuing going up or we will see some sort of correction. Overall, DFM market index without a doubt is strongly bullish. We are seeing very good momentum in DFM market. A small correction should be considered healthy. This is the weekly chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Finally, we are seeing some signs of relief. Look at this weekly candle is very strong, very powerful. After indecisive candle, I was expecting market would either go sideways or maybe break out or break down. I was waiting for a solid green candle to confirm the decision in the market. Right here we saw a consolidation phase. We saw this chart pattern that broke out right here at 9404 points with this decisive candle. My worry was after this green candle we did not see a continuation or a follow through. Market took a pause. This is an indecisive dodgy candle. From here we are seeing a follow through. This is a good indication. Overall, ADX market on the weekly chart is showing some positivity, yet not bullish. We want to see clearance of the swing highs. After a strong drop from 9837, market could not recover completely. We are still around 80% of this drop. Hopefully from here market will continue going up. Let's go down to daily and see how the chart is looking. So here what we are seeing is indecisive candles or group of indecisive candles right after the breakout. Till the last candle almost we can see all indecisive and rejection candles. Whenever market was trying to go up during the day, it showed strength, it was going up, but later at the time of closing or during the day, it gave away all the gains and it was closing almost lower or negative. So this was seen almost for 2 weeks, and in Friday's session finally we are seeing a decisive candle, that too right into our resistance zone, that is 9,563 points. This is looking interesting. We can see some sort of consolidation happening here through indecisive candles. There are very good chances we may see continuation from here. Immediate resistance as of now stands at 9,590 to 9,600 points. If you remember, last week market was trying for a breakout. We have already identified our important resistance area. When it was trying for a breakout, it got rejected and we saw a closing below the resistance. In Friday's session, market has shown some strength. There are good chances either it would like to go sideways and then go up, or maybe we can see a continuation from here. Since it has spent so much of time near the resistance, I think adjustments are already made. Most likely we should be going north from here. One of the stock that is looking very interesting for coming week is Deyaar. I'm on the daily chart. By the way, if at all you are interested to join my YouTube membership for more detailed analysis and my entries and exit, then here is the QR code you must scan and join us. Also, link is in the description. Deyaar is looking interesting. We are seeing it made a high of 1.03. It got rejected from here. Earlier we took our positions right here, and also at the time of breakout, and we booked profits on the way up. As of now we can see it's gearing up again for a move. After this drop to the downside, it went through sideways momentum, correcting itself by time. We did not see any deeper correction. Looking at the last green candle, this confirms our support zone is intact, that is 0.925. This is a good indication either it would like to continue going up from here. In that scenario, we have resistance at 1.00. If this is taken out, then we have next resistance till about 1.07. So Deyaar is looking good for entries. Tomorrow we do not want to see a gap down opening, that too after printing a solid green candle. If it shows some strength, that is by opening flat or with a gap up, this is good for entry. Stop losses should be planned exactly at 0.920, 0.923 area, as this is identified as strong support. Even right from the top when it was dropping, we did not see aggressive selling pressure. We saw markets sustaining into this area. Clearly, this is important zone for the market. So coming back to our entries, if it opens in our criteria or as we want, then there are chances, as I mentioned, either it may print a pause candle, go sideways, or we can even see upside momentum. In that scenario, we have already identified the resistance where we can book our profits right here. This should be our take profit area number 1, and this should be our take profit area number 2. So guys, this was a quick update for tomorrow. Hit the like button if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.